Hey everyone, this is Fong with Remax. Just want to let you know that I'll be hosting an open house on Saturday, December 14th from 12 to 2 p.m. It's a a split entry, single family home. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. I hope to see you here. Let's go inside the house. This is the upper level living room. It's got new hardwood flooring. Some windows are newer. Let's head towards there's the door to go to the deck. The kitchen has newer tile, ceramic tile, newer backsplash. Let's head down the hallway. The upper level has 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This is one of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are very spacious. This is the master bedroom. It's got a walk-in closet. This is the full bathroom. It's also a walk-through. This is the lower level family room. This is the 3rd bedroom in the lower level. 4th bedroom in the lower level. Lower level, 3/4 bath. This is the utility / laundry room. Let's go upstairs. The door on the right goes out to the garage. There's the front door. We're gonna go outside. There's a lot adjacent to this home. It's part of the home. There's about 0.5 acres total. It's a huge yard.